Hi guys, welcome to Rescue Stuff. Today we are gonna try to fix two stone cutter. Let me show you. So this is Stihl TS420 and I don't know the problem. We are gonna diagnose it today. All parts is here. And the other machine is, I guess, Makita. Let me show you the other one. Here is the other one. This is complete, and the steel is like part by part. We are gonna try to put that together to fix it. And this is complete one. This is the old one. I don't know the production year, but these are so expensive machine. Like each is around, like the brand new ones, 1,600 something like that. And today we are gonna try to fix these two crazy stone cutters. Let's start to clean it. Now bench is ready. Let's check it out how it's clean. Let me put it this one over here. See, everything is like ordered, and we have so larger working area. Let me bring the other stuff. These are the tools that we are gonna use. These are all tools that we need for the rescue this machine, and mostly we are gonna use this one. This is the special tool for this brand, and every screw is opening with this one, and there's two sides, and then we have this one. It's very useful for every job. It's the old brand. Also, our big helper and time saver machines here. Let's start it. So before you guys started the project like this kind of stuff, first you have to look at it. What is the main problem? Because you have to guess the main problem first to fix it correctly. Like, this is the handle. When you pull it, it's not coming. It's so hard. That means if anything's broken inside this one, or the engine crankshaft, can be a problem. So let me first remove this cap and check this one is like working right. There is only one bolt here. Normally it's stable with the 3 bolts. See, this is working right. There is no problem on this one. So when you remove the screws or bolts, you have to put it separate when you're installing back, because it's gonna be so messy. It's gonna be big problem. See, as I said before, the problem is inside this piece. The problem is engine crankshaft. Let me open the top first. So there is 4 bolts here, as you can see, like to this side, to this side. You have to remove it. After remove it, there is normally one like black cap here. This one. There is one screw on it as well. You have to remove this cap first. After then, you're gonna see little metal part. You're gonna see the little metal part here. This one. You have to remove that first. You have to unclick that one. After that, it's gonna come off itself. Let me show you guys. See, I removed, and this part working free. You have to just pull off like this. It's coming itself. And there is 2 cable going to alternative. This is generating the power to fire the spark plugs. And you have to take it out first. There's 2 connection pins here. When you pull off, it's gonna come itself. This is the second part that we have to remove. And then, like, we have to remove this one. This is going to the spark. It goes into the cylinder. When the ignition, when you're trying to start the machine, there's ignition coil in this one, and there's some magnetics on it. When you turn it fast, it generates power. The power going through the cable to the spark plug, and spark plug fire the gas inside the cylinder. Let's remove the other parts. you have to make sure you have to remove these ones like with the hand. Don't use any machine, something like that, because the machine can give like some damage on the threads that we don't want, because we're gonna put it back again, all the stuff. There is 2 bolts, and this is the power generator part. This is so important. Without this one, you cannot start the machine. Part is done, and this one is the metal that I show you to unclick that one. Now we have to use these ones to remove it, to reach the cylinders. So this is the cylinder cap. You can see there is 2 bolts on the connection. After then, the 3 point is holding the engine. There is some like rings, there is some springs on it. It's for when the machine is working, this spring is absorbing the vibration of the machine. That's why the engine is connected with the 3 points. The first one is this one, the main. The second one is this one, and the third one is at the bottom here. The third one, you have to unbolt all of them, but you have to first remove the first one. See, you have to turn to the left. This is one part together. Guys, make sure when you're removing parts, put it back together to not miss or lose anything. So this is carburetor, and the fuel is coming on this line to the carburetor. Carburetor is pushing the fuel inside the cylinders, and there's 2 air hoses goes into the cylinder. You have to remove this little screws, make it loosen. After then we have to remove the plastics out. See, this is the main engine part that we need to diagnose what's the problem on it. So there is 4 screws on it. You have to remove this one first. After then the cylinder is gonna came off, but before that you have to remove the exhaust. Without removing exhaust, you're not gonna be able to remove the check it inside from here. Is there any particle or like something that it's holding the cylinder? There's nothing inside. Probably the problem is gonna be bearing. So it came off. Inside the cylinder is so clean. This is good sign, and we don't have any problem with the cylinder. So we have to make sure don't damage any gaskets because it's hard to find it. Now we are gonna remove the cylinder head, and there is little spring in the cylinder. Remove that one. So you have to push it. See, it came off so easy. This is the spring is holding the cylinder, and now we have to push the thing out with this tool. See, the metal came out, and then the cylinder head is removed. Let me put this one here. And there's like bearing inside. You have to push it easily. And this is the bearing. It's like, now we are gonna remove the parts, this one and that one, to open the crank case. And there's one bolt here and one bolt here. We have to unscrew that one first, and this is the tool that we are gonna use it. And this one, there's little trick. Instead of like pulling the screw, this is reverse. You have to push the screw back like this. See? See the turning way? It came off. And this part is little tricky again. Like, you have to hit with the hammer if it's so tight. Otherwise, it's not gonna come off. This one is like crazy important part. Let's put it all the way here. And then the other side, we have to remove it. See? Came off easily. You have to you have to put it like this. See? It came off. Oh, fuck it. See? The shaft is turning right now. Oh. Now we have to get it some bolts like this to put it here, because these two bolts is like loosened. Push it more. Let me do like this. See? Like a doctor. I'm doing surgery. Sounds good. You have to put it in order like this. And then when you're installing back, you're not gonna miss any part. Everything just came together like that. Thank you guys for watching. If you find the video so helpful, please like, comment and share our video to support us. You can subscribe our channel to grow together. Thank you so much for your time.